there were very disturbing photos, and this is not the first time this happened, na yung mga farmers sa Tublay, Benguet, iniwan na lang yung kanilang mga produce because walang bumibili. Kumbaga,
Yes.
tapon na yun. Um, Wala po bang magagawa dito? Why do we have to see this time and time again?
Yung, nangyari recently, that is actually ang main reason diyan is na, well, force majeure ng konti yan dahil it's the rains, eh. The rains, dampened the market 'no, even yung itlog, bumagal, yung mga ibang products bumagal, even yung 20 peso rice namin sa palengke bumagal because karamihan ng pumupunta sa palengke hindi masyadong pumupunta like sa lakas ng ulan, eh. So that dampened market demand and tuloy-tuloy lang naman harvest nila plus, yung sa mga Benguet ay marami din na-wash out na road sa Atok, sa iba't ibang parte pa. So that is partly this problem. Ang long-term solution diyan ay pinondohan na namin for 2027 which we will be building, big cold storage na in, Benguet 'no, sa katabi ng Baptisi dun plus, vegetable processing, center. So that should be the medium to long-term solution.
Kailan po yun magagawa?
We hopefully if, maaprubahan yung NEP namin, yung mas malaking facility will be started next year but, this year pa lang i-rehab na namin yung existing, cold storages ng facility na yun na hindi na sa DA yun, eh. But, because of the last problem, aayusin namin. We'll be putting smaller units initially. Yung bigger facility will be next year, ma'am.
How about transporting these goods? While you have cold storage, paano naman po yung mga truck na medyo hindi naman po nakasakay sa jeep, na nalalanta na yung mga gulay?
Yung tracking system actually is in place dun sa mga from Benguet to or Vizcaya to the markets and from other areas, Caraga to the markets. In place naman yung system, eh. Unang problem this year is yung tumaas yung malaking fuel, then yun, naapektuhan yung freight cost, no? Ngayon naman, problema natin sa ulan, yung hindi makababa din masyado dahil yung market, mas matubal yung market ngayon due to the rains. Then marami din talagang kalye for like farm to market routes na totally destroyed dun sa area na yun, eh. So that's another problem that we are facing. But the trucks itself, kompleto naman yung truck, eh. We just have to put a storage in the meantime na may mga issues sa fuel man o kaya sa calamities.